Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video I'm going to show you how to do the video editing. All right, so I will go a little bit quicker. Go to the Pinterest, definitely go to the Google and then open the Pinterest. All right, once you open the Pinterest, then you are going to download Jesus picture. All right, so definitely this is in the faith niche. um, Once you download it, the Jesus picture, what you have to do, you have to go to the Pixabay. So Pixabay, and there's other tools also where you can literally download the videos. So hit the videos thing, and you can see that free stock videos and clips. You can literally download it. So this time, I mean, you can download anything, whatever you like to. This time we are going to download about the houses. Different background it will be, and it will be easier for you guys to edit the videos. All right, this is the easiest thing. You can literally make $1,000 a month with this kind of videos if you are really serious. All right, so go ahead, download the videos, and it's going to help you guys. At least download like a 20-30 videos of free videos, free stock from the Pixabay. You know what I'm trying to say, right? So once you download this one, what you have to do, you just keep downloading and make it one folder, nice folder, so it will be easier for you guys to find it. Once we will take you to the CapCut for the editing, definitely is going to help you guys. All right, so make it folder, download it, the house, the rain, um, all the stock footage, definitely. And these things work for like a lot of niches. Normally, like there is a lot of channels you can literally create it with this one. This will be the background. Right now we are teaching you guys in the different language. The same thing you can do it for you know all the different things. So what we will do, we will use the CapCut because it's easier for a lot of people you know to editing. So go to the like a main dashboard, or if you have the CapCut, you know definitely you need a pro version, because the pro version is the one going to give you um, the text and everything. I mean, see, this is your business, this is your baby, so you have to invest money. I will suggest you take it. The pro version is really good. uh, so pro version, always you're going to use it. CapCut. So CapCut is like a literally good tool for a lot of things. So start using the CapCut Pro, and this is the highly recommended. Once you open it, what we have to do, whatever videos we just download it from Pixabay. There's a lot of website, but we use the Pixabay. So you just select all the videos, and we have to put it on the timeline. So the timeline, you're going to put everything, and definitely we have a voiceover also. So voiceover is the before part. I showed you guys how to take it on the voiceover. Once your voiceover part is done, then you can, start editing the videos. And once you drag the voiceover and start dragging all this picture, not a picture, like a Pixar videos, so this will be on your timeline. And definitely put it in your timeline, and it will be super easy, easy drag and drop. There's a lot of software also, they can do that this way. It's all up to you how you want to do that, but definitely your voiceover should be perfect. Editing is super simple, but voiceover, it should be the good one. Like you are doing something, like you are hitting the guest, like not a guest, like the viewer, those they are listening. So that's the main thing. So you just adjust according to that. If the longer video, just adjust, it'll make it a little bit shorter. After some time, you can literally, what you can do, you can literally re-drag also the same picture also, after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, if you are making an hour videos after 30 minutes, because YouTube is not going to watch you are using the reusing all the same thing again and again, so a little bit transition, you have to put a little bit transition to make it a little bit the good, so this way the audience, it will be engaging with your videos. All right, so just small step for transition, and it works, guys, and I saw you guys already are most of the channels making $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month with this one in different language. The same thing you have to do in the different language. All right, so I hope this is making sense, and this Jesus is definitely, you make it 3 videos with the Jesus, not with all the Jesus videos, so this Jesus videos, definitely just keep it for 3 videos. After 3 videos, remove the Jesus, just keep it the background, you know so that this way YouTube will not say it's a AI something, because we are doing manually something, manually editing. So that's keep in your mind. All right, so this is the simple thing, is working for us, guys, and it's making money. It will make it money for you guys. So keep doing what we are doing, and it's not whole lot, there's not a lot of work to do this editing. It's like a simple drag and drop, and it's easier to make this kind of videos. All right, so once you do that, this one, adjust the Jesus however you want to Jesus, and then we are going to do, so this is in the Portuguese language, our voiceover is the Portuguese. So definitely we are going to use the like the what is that called, this auto caption in the Portuguese. And once is then, just make it fancy, just make it a little bit fancy, and it's going to be in the pro version. So make it a little bit fancy, and adjust a little bit auto caption how you want to do that, and definitely is going to help you guys. So we have all this colors, like however you want to, what colors you like, what transition you like, what the things you like, now what animation you like. Definitely is all up to you guys how you guys want to do that, so yeah, keep doing that, guys, and make it more clear. And if this is not a rocket science, you can literally make $1,000 with one channel, and you can open like a 2 3 4 channels in the same niche. All right, so once this part is done, that's it, guys. Just you have to export it, and next videos it will be like a how to make a thumbnail, and thumbnail is also easier. It's copy and paste
Obras.
also. All right, so thank you. I will see you in the next videos. All right, bye.